Quasin UUA Kutaputush, thank you for all your generosity, which is helping us to provide virtual programs, enhance our partnerships, including creating an Indigenous memorial for Native American veterans at the Rhode Island Veterans Cemetery, and expanding our partnerships. Your generosity is helping us grow as an organization. Kutaputush, a gift of friendship, our beautiful strawberry basket.
Hello, UUA. Collections Manager and Archivist Anthony Bellz here. I would like to thank you for your generous donation to the Tomaquag Museum. That money will be used to help aid in research and for the preservation and conservation of our 20,000 plus cultural belongings.
Hi, this is Denise from the Tomaquag Museum. I've been fundraising and I was so excited to get not only your checks and funds and support, but all of the notes and cards and letters of thanks from people from the UUA that support our cause and want to make the world a better place. It's amazing. It's really amazing, and now we can continue with our mission and all help make the world a better place.
Your help has enabled me to design a new Strawberry Thanksgiving t-shirt, host a Strawberry Thanksgiving art contest, and keep up with new technology while working from home to keep the eBlaston website up to date. Thank you.
Because of your incredible donation, the Tomaquag Museum is able to continue its journey to a new facility. Keep your eyes open for more updates on our website, and thank you.
Thanks to you, we have been able to redesign our educational programming to offer virtual workshops, trainings, and even our free weekly children's hour. All of this has been made possible thanks to your generous support. So from all of us at Tomaquag Museum, I want to wish you our heartfelt thanks. Tabatnianawayan. Pishkanashnitam. Hope to see you soon.